All right, so I already need my title. Well, I need my title in order to create my first listing, which I need to open my shop. So I'm going to do that now. Now, this video is something you probably haven't seen before, but I'm going to show you anyway. So most people, they'll go here, they'll type in funny coffee mug, right? And then they'll do that star seller thing in physical items. So I'll just show you how to do that. You go all filters. I want physical items, and then I want only the best to show. So I'll click that, click show results, and up here, I'm going to remove ship to whatever that is. I'm going to replace this star with best. Everybody knows this trick. Now I've only got best sellers. I don't care where it's delivered to. On Etsy that are funny coffee mugs. So usually what people will do is they'll then take like Everbee and they'll run an analytics on the first page and they'll go by total sales and then they'll find all these mugs. Like here's the top one, this personalized name one, and they'll look at all of the keywords and they'll just like copy these keywords into their listing. And you can see there's a whole bunch of different ones in here and the search volume's on there. And then they'll go to the next one and they'll do the same thing. Emergency dad jokes mug. Look at that title. So that just shows you don't have to have long titles for these at all. You can have short ones. And then Father's Day, gift for dad, funny mug, funny mugs, all the usual suspects, right? So what I want to do is I want to make sure that my listings on my shop, every title is like different, like shuffled differently with the keywords that I want to target. Because I think that if Etsy sees the exact same carbon copy of a listing and the only thing changed is the image, they're not going to like it. They want to see some variety, and I think it's going to affect the algorithm differently. So what I'm going to use is eRank. I'm going to show you how I do it. So I know my first mug that I'm going to use to open my shop, and the first section on my shop is going to be funny coffee mug, right? Or sarcastic, funny, whatever. So funny coffee mug. I'm going to put this in here. And what I want to come up with is all of the keywords on eRank that have like funny coffee mug or related to it. And I know there's a lot of search volume. That's why I'm in here. And I know there's a lot of competition too. So I'm going to go to all. So there's like 95 results, but they're not all going to apply. So I'm going to go funny, funny coffee mug, funny mug, funny coffee cups. No, I don't want cups. Funny dog. If I were doing a dog mug, I would add that in there. Or if it were for men, I would definitely put that in there. I'm going to put mug in there. No, I'm not going to put mug. Yeah, I'm going to put mug. And then sarcastic, I'm going to put that in there. Custom, no. Gift, sure. Maybe it's a gift. Cat, no, not for this one. Although if I were doing cats, I'd repeat this process for the cat one. Cat, women, coffee cup, funny gift. Yeah, I want that one in there. Funny mugs, yep. Coffee gift, coffee addict, funny quotes, I'll put that in there. For men, if it were a men dedicated one, I would put that in there. Coffee lover gift, I would put that. Sarcastic mug, ceramic, custom, personalized Christmas. If I were doing Christmas mugs, I would definitely have that in my title and my tags. Swear, mom, customized mug gift, I'd probably put that in. Gift mug, office mug, running mug, fitness. If I were doing that, I would. Funny gift for him and her. I could put that in there if I wanted to. Birthday gift, gift for him. I'm actually going to put, I'll keep that in there. Gift has a ton of volume. I'm going to put a high volume one in there. Novelty gift, personalized gift for friend. Mugs, yeah, I'll put that in. Mom, unique gifts for friends. Valentine's Day, cup, free shipping. Friend, girlfriend, husband. Mugs with quotes, put that in there. Novelty, you got this. Gifts for dad, thank you gift, meme for him, therapist, chiropractor gift, right? No, I'm not going to put that. Gift for brother, commercial, office gift, sarcastic gift, I'm going to put that in. You just got lit up, interesting. Motivational gifts, no. Gifts for nerds. All right, so now I'm going to copy all those 21 tags. And I'm going to go to a Google Sheet. I'm going to create a new one, and I'm going to use this one all the time. So this is going to be called my my titles for Etsy. And for my shop, I can put it in here, but I'm just going to paste these all in. And now what I'm going to do is select this, and I'm going to go to data and split text to columns. Detect automatically, that's fine. And then I'm going to select this whole row, and I'm going to go copy, and I'm going to select down below, right click, paste special, transposed. Then I'm going to delete the first row, okay? Now I've got all of these, which are part of my title that I can use. There's 21 in there. I could go grab more too. I could do like sarcastic coffee mug too, but for now I'll just use this. Now, in my title, I want it to have the proper capitalization. So I want the first letter of every one of these to be capitalized. So I'm going to do that. And then I also want to only pick 13 of these at a time. So I want Excel to like shuffle. I want to be able to shuffle the list. And to do that, you go data and randomize range. So I'll click that. I'll go data, randomize range. And you see how it just shuffles them for me. Now what I can do in this cell, I can say, all right, I want a couple things. I want the right capitalization, and I want 13 of those into my into this cell so that I can easily just copy and paste it over to my listing. I'll put this one in here. I know I'm in coffee mug, so I'm going to do funny coffee mug. And then I would repeat this. If I were doing like Valentine's Day, I'd repeat this process. I would basically do a duplicate of this, and I would just call it like Valentine's Day instead, right? And this is where I would keep all my title stuff. So I'm going to delete that for now. So to do so, we want the proper capitalization. So we're going to equals proper, like that. And then inside here, we're going to go join. And then we need a delimiter. So we're going to put a comma and a space, and then comma, and then this range. We're going to select 13, the first 13. And then we're going to put in another closing bracket and press enter. See what that did? Right away, it took cell 1 is here, funny mugs, mug gift, coffee mug, gift for him, funny quotes, sarcastic coffee mug gift mugs, all that. It put it in here in that format. So this could be the title for my first one. Now you want to make sure you're under 20 characters too. So is this one under 20? I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, just under. So just make sure these are all under 20 as well. Now my title's ready to go. Those could also be my tags for my product. And see, I didn't copy anybody. I just use E-rank to get that. Now, when I come back in for mug number 2, I'm just going to select, I'm going to select the whole column. I'm going to go to data. I'm going to randomize range again and watch column B. It changes. So it changes the order. Then I'll go data, randomize. See how I did it? It's changing it. So all of these now can be new titles. Even though I'm targeting all the same keywords, I just put them in different order and I randomize them. I like shuffle them. This is something I don't think many people know about or do. And I believe, personally, in my own experience, that this helps your sales. Because if I just took these and I put them on the in my funny or sarcastic section, I use the exact same title and exact same description and exact same tags every single time, Etsy's going to go like, dude, what are you doing? So I could even do this. I could say, take it a step further and move this over. This is one cell. I could go like this, title, ready to go for Etsy. Then I could go tags. And I could say, let's make a copy of this. All right, let's go. Yeah, I could make another one for that same thing. Well, I'd have to make a copy of it. Well, let's just worry about that for now. Call this title. So if I wanted to, I could use this for the title, and then I could come back in, and I could do this data, randomize range, and I could use this for the tags. So my titles and tags are a little bit different, for every single one. Get it? Makes sense? Very cool. Have you seen this before? Let me know in the comments. This is how you get really good SEO going on Etsy. And I didn't even really dive too much into the competition or the anything like that. I just know I've got, like, if you look at the ones I selected, some have a lot of volume and a lot of competition. Others have like low volume and a little bit of competition. I'm looking for some that have like funny gift, right? I'm not afraid of competition at all. In fact, I want to be where it's competitive. And if I'm doing these little things that nobody else is doing, I think I'm going to be ahead of the game. All right, that's how I do mine. And then if it were like a Valentine's Day one, I would do another tab. I copy this tab, and in that tab, I put my list of kind of targets, and then I do this little function here that I showed you to get my titles and tags, and that's what will go into my listing. So titles for Etsy. So I'll call this for my Copycat shop. What did I do there? I gotta spell this out in my brain every time I do this. There. Titles and tags. There we go. So this is one section. Funny coffee mugs. I'll just call this funny. And then I make another one for Valentine's, another one for Father's Day, another one for Mother's Day, another one for birthdays, another one for office, you know, all these different sections that I'm going to be putting on my store. And this is how I generate my titles and tags. And this is how I don't copy everybody else. And this is how I think Etsy appreciates that. So you put in a little bit of extra work here, and Etsy says, oh, these are all different. So it's not a robot doing it, right? So you're avoiding a red flag there. And I just think it works better this way. So that's how I do it. That's how I think you should do it. And there you go. Let me know in the comments what you think.